Hello, my name's Alicia. I'm the assistant practitioner for the Community Paediatric Bladder and Bowel service, and I've got some top 10 tips to help support your child with their toilet training journey. It's important to ensure your child is drinking plenty of water during the day, ideally up to 6 drinks a day, or ranging from 250 ml up to 380 ml. It's also beneficial to ensure your child is wearing comfortable and accessible clothing to ensure easy access to using the toilet. It is important to establish a good toilet training routine to help increase the chances of successful wheeze and poos on the toilet. Be consistent, ensuring that both school and at home are mirroring the same routine for your child to ensure that positive outcome. When your child is sitting on the toilet, it's important to go at their pace, and if they wanted to sit there for a certain amount of periods, it's fine. If you're finding that they don't want to be there for very long, that's also fine. Allow them to break away from the toilet, and then they can come back in 10 to 15 minutes to try again for their wee or poo. It's important to remain positive and patient throughout your child's toilet training journey, as this reduces the frustrations that you may face and your child will also do. Throughout your child's toilet training journey, it's really important to enforce their positive praise. This can be for any part of the process and not just for the outcome, such as washing hands, wiping their bottom, flushing the toilet, or even sitting on the toilet whilst wearing their nappy still. Child involvement, where possible, is really beneficial. This can be anything from choosing their underwear and the equipment they use for when sitting on the toilet, such as toilet seats or steps. We also advise not to set yourself goals, as this can put yourself and your child under more pressure than necessary. Great to visit websites such as ERIC or Bladder and Bowel UK for further support and more information to help support you and your child throughout their toilet training. Our aim is to support you and your child to reach their optimum level of continence. To help you and your child achieve this, we complete product reviews. With your prescribed containment products for your child, it's vital that they are stored in a cool, dry place and not in the places such as the bathroom or in the attic.